Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Visual Studio and creating a VB, NET console app so you can focus on code immediately. Once created, inspect Solution Explorer to find Module 1 or Program. VB, that contains submain where execution begins. Type console. Write line, hello, to verify runtime, then declare variables with dim and explicit types to avoid surprises. Make sure to run with F5 to see output, because early execution confirms your environment and reveals missing workloads or SDKs quickly. Once your project runs, focus on organizing logic into classes and methods so maintenance is easy. You create a class for business logic and a module for helpers. Use options strict on to force explicit conversions and reduce runtime errors. Choose integer, string, Boolean types deliberately. Implement try, catch for predictable error handling, and use imports to shorten namespaced calls. To verify behavior, set breakpoints and step through with F10 or F11. This reveals state and why a value changes during execution. You finish by building and publishing your app. Press Ctrl+Shift+B, then use Publish to create a folder or installer for distribution. Integrate NuGet packages when you need libraries, and set the target framework in project properties to match your deployment environment. Make sure to test edge cases and log exceptions to trace issues in production. If deployment or runtime fails, a key troubleshooting step is to clean solution and rebuild, and verify all referenced assemblies. Target the same framework to resolve most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.